Hi families, it's Senora Kleinsasser, your principal. I just wanted to shout out to all of you here. I'm Friday afternoon, last day of spring break here at my house in my living room. So welcome to my home. I just wanted to give you a couple updates and just connect with you all as we go into distance learning here on Monday. First of all, just know that from our district-wide Eastern Carver County schools to our school at La Academia and Kinder Academy and to me personally, we care about you and we're here to support you and we are going to get through this together. So I know you've heard the hashtag We've Got This, and we do. Our staff has been working tirelessly. I've connected with them via email, phone, text, a couple webcasts as well. So they are ready for your students on Monday. So you will be receiving communication either anytime now and Monday morning, and then they will be ready to share that new learning with your students on Monday. And they will be contacting you through a variety of ways. Email, Dojo, homeroom app, and email. So please review those, and if you're unable to connect with them, please let me know. There's a ton of resources in this email. I've linked them all below. So there's tech support, there's a couple cool videos our district has made, our counselor's phone number, our ICS's phone number and email, things like that. Because we want to make sure we are providing all the support for you as this is our new normal. And if I was going to flip this camera, you would see our new normal. Legos, puzzles, snacks. Things are different here, working from home and a little bit back and forth to the district office, as well as a 3-year-old. So if you hear him pop in during this video, it's because he's coming in from outside. So we'll try to get him on at some point. Also just wanted to give you a quick message. Both of our interns, Sonia and Lola, did return home due to the pandemic that we're going through and what was happening in their own countries. They requested to return home. We worked with Amity and our PTO and our teacher leadership team, and just wanted you to know that they are safely home with their families. We've heard from them, and we just know things are different this year. So wanted to give you that update. Also a really cool resource below, all of our teachers and staff have been recording different stories in English and Spanish for you and your family to enjoy. You can sit and watch them all in one sitting. You can hit repeat on some of your favorites, or you can kind of divide them up day by day, as I know you are all working on new routines and structures as we are here in my home. And that's really important that you establish those routines, healthy habits, take breaks, take walks, things like that for you all to stay sane during this unique period that we're in, because your health and safety is our #1 priority. Look at my announcements. What else here do I have for you? Oh yeah, the teachers. They will be responding to you promptly between 9 and 3 p.m. And if you need something outside of that time, please just connect with your teacher or connect with me if you're having a challenge connecting. They're going to be responding to emails, voicemails, things like that. So make sure you reach out to them. Attendance is going to be really important. Children in grades 1 through 5 are going to be marking their own attendance in their Google Classroom, and links provided on their launch page on the Chromebook. So our 3rd through 5th graders know what that launch page is, and the attendance will be there, but they need to be checking in daily, as we are going to be tracking attendance for students daily in our office and with me and our teachers. Kinder Academy and La Academia Kinder will look a little different, and there'll be more communication about that next week, but that is for parents mostly, and you'll be doing it more on a weekly basis for your students. I'm trying to think what else. We just love you. We care about you. We're here for you. And if you need anything, please reach out. We are more than welcome to support you. And if you have any questions or concerns, ideas, things like that, please do not hesitate to contact me.